Okay, I've got this bad boy souped up as much as you can possibly do without buying aftermarket parts. I'm here with my iPhone GoPro camera. YaBaDaBaDo.